Now, first question, x square minus y square equivalent to 9876543210. X, y are natural numbers. Now, the root cause of the problem is x, y are natural numbers. X, y are natural numbers. Now, if you see here, I am trying to solve the equation which is of the form x square minus y square equivalent to k. This I kept it in my math shortcut video by Anil Nair. X plus y into x minus y equivalent to k. Do not ever ignore the domain of the question. Domain is x, y are natural numbers. If x, y are natural numbers, x will be even, y will be even. Second, x will be odd, y will be odd. X will be odd, y will be odd. X is even, y will be odd. What is the last case? X will be an odd number and y will be an even number. These are the four cases. Now, even number, odd number, odd number, even number. If I take these first two, x is even, even power 2, it becomes an even number. Odd power any number, it is odd. Even minus odd is odd. If I take this case, odd power any number is odd. Even power any number is even. What is odd minus even? Odd. These last two cases, I am getting right hand side odd number. If I take the first two cases, x is even, y is even. X plus y, even plus even is even. X minus y, even minus even is even. Any even number is of the form 2k1, another even number 2k2. That means answer is divisible by 4. 4 into something. X is odd, y is odd. Odd plus odd is even. Odd minus odd is even. Right? Even into even is. Answer should be divisible by 4. That means if x square minus y square equivalent to k, k should be either an odd number or k should be divisible by 4. X square minus y square equivalent to k, k should be an odd number or k should be divisible by 4. What is the divisibility rule of 4? Last two digits should be divisible by 4. 10. 10 is not divisible by 4. Therefore, what will be the answer? Answer will be 0. Very, very important question which talks about number 3. In any competitive examination, the questions are not difficult. Questions are different. It just checks your basic understanding of mathematics. They don't want any student who belong to the hereditary of Ramanujan to join IIMs or any of the government jobs. Given a question, use your common sense and try to answer the question. Don't blindly take x plus y equivalent to into x minus y. Please write down this conclusion. X square minus y square equivalent to k, it will have integral solution only when k is an odd number or k is divisible by 4.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.